Welcome to today's video. Today we have the old Ripper in the garage, the Lancer, the car that will never die. So yeah, if you don't know, this was my first car. I now have a Mazda Speed 3. But yeah, my dad still drives this just so he can keep some miles off his truck. So today I'm gonna put the winter tires on, and so it's gonna be one take. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. I don't have an air gun, so as fast as I can with hand tools. So we'll see. At work with the air gun it takes like 20 minutes. So with two people, so I'm thinking like 35 minutes maybe. So I'm gonna get all the tools ready and then we will do this. I have to get the tires too. Those are in the backyard, I think. So okay, I got everything ready. I got the jack ready, got all the tires at all the corners, got a bar, torque wrench, hammers in case the wheels don't come off. So yeah, everything to get the wheels off and on. What was I gonna say? Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna put jacking it up into the time or not, because if I do it's gonna be less safe, but I think I'm going to. I'm gonna put jacking it up. I didn't put like getting the tires and tools and stuff because finding my dad's tools took like an hour. So anyways, that's not gonna count. We're just gonna count the actual me doing it. So I have a game plan. I'm gonna lift the whole back up together and then each corner, because I don't see somewhere to lift both front wheels in the front. So I'm gonna lay the camera down and then start the timer. I'm gonna have to be moving the camera around to different angles while I'm doing this too, so that's gonna add a little bit of time. So yeah, here we go. Okay, everything's set up. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, well, this jack is so bad, the travel of it's too long, so I can't actually jack the whole back up at once because the jack can't move enough. So that's my answer. We're gonna take jacking out of the time. Actually, we won't take jacking out of the time, but I have to do it all 4 corners. So we're gonna restart the timer. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
What we're given.
16 minutes. Ooh, let's go. 16 minutes without tools. Oh, I probably could have got probably 10 with tools. So the tires are flat and need to be blown up, but I'm not counting that into the time. I also had to move the camera. Took a little bit of time to set up, but 16 minutes without power tools, that is very fast. And I'm very tired, and air gun would have been so nice. But yeah, that's how fast you can get it done. Hopefully my boss doesn't see this video, or he's gonna try booking cars in every half hour for tire changes. Whew, that was a lot of work, but that was definitely the fastest I've ever done it. I wish I had an air gun. Maybe when I'm putting my summer wheels on, I'll have the air gun, and I'll see how fast I can do it. My car will be a little harder because I've got 5 lug nuts, but I can lift both tires each side at once because my car's a bit stiffer. This car could almost do it if the jack could go a little bit higher. But anyways, I'm gonna make sure all these wheels are on good and torqued good and blown up so they don't fall off while my dad's driving. I don't know why they were so loose. I never even had to use the pipe to get them off. But they were on there. I don't think they would have came off. They never got retorqued. Neither did mine, so I should probably retorque mine. But yeah. Oh, hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe. And if you have any video ideas, comment them below. I will see you next video. Bye.